Can you name an Arab country?
Africa.
No. Arab country.
Our.
Yeah.
Like. Yeah. United Kingdom.
United Kingdom. No. Can you name an Arab country?
Europe. French.
Sorry. I will ask you again. Arab country.
My country.
No.
Our.
An Arab country.
Europe country. No.
Arabic country.
Arabian.
Yes.
Iran.
Sorry?
Iran.
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 No, it's not Arabic country. Try it. Salah, yeah, try another one. Morocco? You could say.
Morocco. See, yeah, Morocco, yeah.
What do you know about the Arab world? Tell me what do you know about it?
I don't know.
Nothing?
Nothing.
You're amazing.